bell to get the nimble updates for latest videos.
Hello everyone, as you all know that a triangular based puzzle was asked in the recent SBI PO pre-examination held recently. So there is a quite probability that in the upcoming examination there can be a triangular based puzzle. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. First of all, we will read the direction. Direction says 9% I, M, O, H, E, F, A, E, B and J are sitting on a triangular table facing the center. So we will first of all take two possibilities, one this and second one this one. Next it states that 3% are sitting in the corner of table. So one person here and one person will sit here. Similarly one person here and third person here. One person is sitting along one side and 2% are sitting along second side and 3% are sitting along the third side of the table in a clockwise direction. This statement is of utmost importance. It says that in a clockwise direction, first 1%, then 2%, and then 3% sits on the three sides. So 1% here, then 2% here, and then 3% here. Similarly, 1% here, 2% here, and 3% here. Next, it states it is also known that 2% are sitting between M and J. Do you have any data regarding M or J? So we will put it on hold. M 2% J. We will write or, as we don't know who is to the left or who is to the right. J sits second to the left of F. F's second left is J. So we will draw it like this. Next it states I, H and F are sitting on the corner of a table. So this is a definite statement. But here also there becomes three possibilities, as F can be here, F can be here, or F can be here. But can F be here? F can't be here, because if F will be here, then second left J will be here. Then there will no place left for H or I. So F can be either here or F can be here. If F will be here, F second left J will be here. F here, F second left J will be here. Let's proceed. I sits second to the left of M. M's second left is I. Okay. Next it states A sits immediate right of J. J's immediate right is A. So A will be, in this case A will be here, and in this case A will be here. Next it states B sits fifth to the left of H. H fifth left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B will be placed here. Next statement says O sits second to the right of E. E is second right O. Now we will see that what can we place. First of all, if F is here, then H or I may be here, or H or I may be here. Similarly, if F is here, then H or I will be here, or H or I will be here. Next, we can place M, as there is a relationship between M and J here, and J is definite. If J is here, then two places if M will be put here. M can't be put here, as M will be put here, then M second left will be I, which is this place. But I can't be on the side. I has to be placed on the corner. So I can be here or I can be here. If I can be here and here, then M will not be here. So J, two places M will be this side. Similarly J, if two places M will be put here, then second left is A, no place for I, and also I cannot be on side, so M will not be here. Similarly J, then two places M will be here. M second left is I, so I will be here. If I is here, then H is not here, H will be here. In this case M second left I, but no place for I. So this possibility gets eliminated. We will proceed with this M, H, I. Okay. Then if we have set up H, then we can write B also. H 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B will be here. We have used this one, this is remaining, and also two places only are remaining. So E's second right is O, so E will be here and O will be here. So polar based puzzle So you can solve it easily within 1 to 2 minutes. Easily. Let's proceed towards the question. First question says, who sits immediate right of I? I's immediate right is E, so answer will be E. How many persons sit between J and B when counted from the left of J? So here is J, here is B. When counted to the left means this side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5%. So this will be our answer. Next question. What is the position of B with respect to A? B is here, A is here. A's second right is B. So A second right, this option. Which of the following statement is or are true? So first statement says I and E are immediate neighbors. Are I and E immediate neighbors? Yes. So this follows. A and B are immediate neighbors of F. F's immediate neighbor are A and B. So it is also true. O sits third to the right of I. I's third, 1, 2, 3, third right is O. So this statement also follows. So all are correct. So option E is our answer. So let's move toward the last question. So here is the last question. It states if all the person are made to sit in alphabetical order starting from A in a clockwise direction, then how many person will remain unchanged from his previous position? So first of all, we will make all the person to be sit in alphabetical order starting from A. So here is A, here is our A, then here comes B, then E, then F, then H, then I, then J, then M, and then O. So BJ no, EH no, FO no, HM no, IE no, JI no, BM no, FO no. So there are none person who have remained on the same position. So our answer will be none. Hope you have enjoyed the video and you have understood the triangular based puzzle. Do subscribe our channel. Thank you.